Hi, welcome to Run Deals. Today I want to share with you these beautiful artificial palm trees. Guys, they are 5 feet in length. The package will include these two beautiful ones. And guys, they are made of a very high quality PE material. The trunks, the stems, the leaves, you guys, are so realistic. You won't even tell they are artificial. And the best part is that they are maintenance free. You don't need to water them, they don't need sunlight. They will go green and vibrant all year long. They are perfect to use them indoors as well as outdoors. They will go beautifully in your living room, bedroom, and any space you want to decorate. I highly recommend this product, guys, and I really hope you will enjoy it. I will see you next time. Bye.